Does your mind run constantly when you're trying to get to sleep? Do you wake up and you can't get back to sleep? Then keep watching, because I'm going to share some key tips to help you get into a deeper sleep faster. Hi, I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director here at Head to Toe Health. Today, I'm talking about what you can do to optimize your sleep by implementing a bedtime or wind down routine. I've got 5 tips to improve your sleep by making some small changes to your evenings. Our lives are full. Most people that I speak to in the clinic have trouble settling their minds before they go to sleep. They're ruminating over the previous day, even planning the next day. This can have significant effects on our sleep quality, therefore our energy, quality of life, and our health. Often, once they integrate the kinds of tips that I have here for you today, everything changes. If you missed the earlier videos in this series, please place a comment below and we can send you those links. Today I'm giving you 5 tips to improve your sleep by bringing in a wind down routine. Number 1, practice active relaxation or meditation. One very effective relaxation technique is called progressive muscle relaxation. It involves contracting and then relaxing groups of muscles at a time, moving sequentially from the feet up into the head. You can find more about this in the articles on our website. Number 2, try different breathing exercises. One of the most impactful I find for most people is lengthening their breath, especially the exhalation. Try this tonight. Breathe through your nose, 4 seconds in, 2-second hold, and 8 seconds on your exhalation breath. Number 3, reserve activities that don't require screens before bed, such as stretching, meal prep, showering, journaling, meditation, etc. Number 4, try journaling or reading a relaxing book before you go to sleep. Number 5, apply relaxing essential oils to your neck, the bottom of your feet, or your pillow. Great sleep support oils include lavender, chamomile, marjoram, or cedarwood. You could also use a magnesium oil or have a magnesium salt bath. Applying just one of these tips could make the difference to your sleep quality and therefore your health. So there's those 5 again. 1, active relax or meditate. 2, deep breathing. 3, no screens before bed. 4, journal or read a book. And 5, use essential oils like lavender or a magnesium oil or bath. So that wraps up our last 5 tips, how to improve your sleep, health, and enjoyment in the happenings of life. Thank you so much for joining me for this video and throughout the series. It's been so great to hear the feedback from our patients, what difference this information is having to their sleep. It's really inspiring to get this information out there because I know the difference that it can make to your life. Make sure you integrate some of these into your routines to improve your sleep. Now, if you'd like more information about how you can improve your sleep, then get a hold of this document that I've created called your Super Sleep Checklist. Here's what it's going to do for you. If you have difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or wake feeling unrefreshed, then it'll provide easy to implement strategies, some of which we've covered in this video series, to get you value from your sleep and power you through your day. If you'd like to get it, there's a couple of ways you can get hold of it. Number 1, you can type in checklist below. When you do that, someone from my team will send it out to you, and make sure that you can apply that and get a great result. You can private message me through Facebook. That way I can make sure that we get that checklist out to you straight away. Or thirdly, you can email me at info@headtotoehealth.com.au. So number 1, type in below. Number 2, private message me. Or number 3, flick me an email and I'll ensure that you get that report. I'm really excited to help you out. I hope this information has been useful. Take care. Bye for now.